At this time, we're going to ask if Zari Brown would come down and give us our welcome for the morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Zaria Brown. We welcome each of you today to our 2013 Vacation Bible School Culminating Program. Our theme this year is Colossal Coaster World. Our motto is Facing Fear, Trusting God. We've had a rich experience this week through exciting Bible studies, worship, and fun activities. We've prepared wonderful presentations for you. On behalf of Pastor Dennis Mitchell, Minister Diane Phillips Ash, the Christian Education Director, our VBS team, preschool, children, and summer enrichment program, we invite you to sit back and enjoy our program. God bless you.